Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you make a booking website on Squarespace? Well, you perhaps chosen one of the most easiest website building platforms out there. Okay, so in here you just basically click on continue, but first you must type your website name. So let's just give this a go here. My e-commerce Square. That's basically it. Click on it. So create a course. Is it a course or is it a site? It's a site. So let's say you want to choose one of these templates right here, because these templates are basically crucial, especially if you want it to be quick. And basically in here you can just edit out your site, and this is the desktop view, this is the mobile view, mobile phone view. Now we'll get to that later on. So in here you get to edit out these pre-made text styles right here all over the side here, and edit it out with your own basically words. So let's say for example exploring our connection to food, but if we edited this out with start with bold italic, everything here you could edit out, so you could make your booking website really good. So let's say for example they want to book on your cookery, if that's a business you have. But then again, this is not limited to food only. It's also if you have a resort, if you have rooms for rent, basically if you're a landlord and you want to publish this online, we get to publish this on Facebook. Then you could refer people here to your website so they could book, and you could monitor their bookings, and that's just basically it. So as you can see, this is the photo here. You can basically edit this out, all of this here, including the textiles, once again. So yeah, in here we have video instruction. You could put your video instruction here, exclusive, especially if it's a booking website. If you're a landlord or something, you could show them the rooms, the quality of the rooms, and here are the founders. You could basically edit all this up. Okay. Alright, so when you edit all this up, you can just basically click on these photos and click on the trash bin. That'll automatically delete it for you to replace a photo. Place a photo there on your own. So yeah, in here you could basically code. I always assumed making pasta from scratch was too advanced, but I once learned I couldn't stop. I don't think I'll ever go back to store-bought pasta. Okay, so you could basically put whatever it is, your rendition, like these rooms right here, etc., whatever code it is you'd like to relay to people. I don't know, it's totally up to you at this point. And in here is the here's the piece of hovering button that people could put here. I mean, you could basically put here and people could press, but on the button you could, instead of press here or click here, you just basically put book now here also. So instead of click here, you could edit it out also to your liking. Begin your Italian cooking journey right from home, or you could just basically edit it out, whatever, and click save to basically publish your website. Okay, so very important key features here, because this is the basically the last part, the footer, so to say. You could edit out whatever it is you want to edit here, including your own text styles, bold, italic, polyphonic, compresec, if you guys know what that is. That is a color. Here we go. So yeah, just doing the routine here. Here is the mobile view. So your customers are going to be looking through this through their mobile phones. So this is what your site is going to be looking like. And here's the header. And instead of a click here, you can just basically put book here or book now. So that is your booking website right there. And click on save once you're done. And yeah, that'll be it. It's quite simple if you really know how to edit out the nooks and crannies. Click here to save, or Control S. And yeah, I certainly hope that I've covered enough topics here. So thank you so much for watching Tech Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.